Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kelsey. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today is a very special day because I'm doing a collab with Michelle. She's from Our Little World, a channel that I follow and I think that she would enjoy as well. We are doing a thrift with me today. So I guess we're going to the thrift store. So that's why I'm in the car and we're heading there now. So let's see what we can find. So I'm here at my favorite thrift store, Unique. I come here probably once a week, like at least, and I feel like I always find really good things here. So I'm about to head to California in like 4 days for Christmas. It just got dark, kind of. I hope you can still see me. And I am looking for like maybe a last minute little find. I have this beaded jacket that you might have seen. I've talked about it a few times on my channel. And I've been looking for like the perfect top to wear underneath it. I have like one option at home, but I was looking for maybe like a tank top. So I'm going to see if I can find that. And then just sweaters in general. I love sweaters this time of year. It's like the best thing to wear. So I think I have about an hour's worth of time. I think they close in like an hour. And let's see what we can find. And I might take a look at the dishes and stuff because I always do that. So here we go. Skimming the sizes that are not mine to see if anything stands out, but a size that is mine, I look through everything. See if anything stands out. Not seeing anything. I picked out so many sweaters. Oof. Excited to try these on. This one's definitely like a vintage sweater. I think there's a little hole back here, maybe, but it's in really good condition. It's so, like, it's pretty thick, kind of soft, a little scratchy. I'm not sure how I feel about it. It's pretty basic. I really wanted this one to be cuter on me. I think it's just a little too bulky, but it's such a cute fabric. Such a cute knit. Light bell sleeve. Put a jacket over it would be cute. I don't know. So I would love to have like a Minnesota worn in sweater, but this one I didn't realize has like a bunch of stains on it. Bummer. I feel like the fit on this one is kind of cute, but it's just really basic. So I think this one's really similar to that one, but maybe a little bit better. I don't think it's worth getting though. I was pretty excited for this one, but it is far too itchy. Too itchy. cute though. No. This one I like, but again, it's really itchy. So it's gonna be a no. So I think this one, that might actually be a men's sweater, but I kind of love it. I don't know. It's so cozy though, and it's a vintage one. Maybe this will be one that I get. We'll evaluate. Perfect. It's because it's already mine. This is an aisle I always have to check out when I'm here. I collect vintage dishware, so I'm on the lookout. So far, oh my goodness, these are the cutest little mugs. What does it say? I don't even know what that says. But these are so cute. Vintage mugs, just the cutest. So adorable. This. I collect Corelle, which this is Corelle, but I don't need mugs. I need plates and not little saucers like these. And this is too new. Like that's like 80s and 90s, although those are adorable. And these ones are too 90s. I look for like 70s. This ain't it. So don't look on that today. So cute. Is but so cute. Syrup dispenser or something. What is this little tiny thing? Kind of cute. I also love old Pyrex. So cute. I don't need any more though. If you go thrifting, are you the kind of person who looks through bags? I'm not. I just don't have the patience for it. Even though I'm sure you could find really cute things. I don't. I should. Also always on the lookout for some good pots. Cool vintage pots. Sometimes they're so expensive at the thrift store though. What are these little things? That's kind of adorable. Do you like a little succulent on that? Oh my goodness, I might take one of these. Ooh, I'm actually looking for like a little picture frame of some kind. I made a bunch of little like beanies and scarves. I'm gonna be selling them at one of our coffee shops. And I kind of want to make like a little handwritten sign and put it in a cute vintage picture frame, but I haven't been able to find one that I like, so let's take a look-see. I want a small one. Kind of love that. Cute. That's an option. I also kind of like this. I think it's too forced. Looks a little too much. All right, I'm done and I'm freezing. It's like 14 degrees, I think, maybe 11. I don't know. It's cold. Let me see what my watch says. 11 degrees. it's real chilly. And my car is cold. I got a few things, but I'm probably gonna wait to haul it till tomorrow so I can like try on and show you what I got. I didn't get very much. I'm kind of at this point in my thrifting life that I don't get just like a bunch of things. When I first started thrifting, because it was like so cheap in comparison to what I was buying before, I was like, buy everything that I like. And now there's lots of things that I like that I don't end up buying because I'm like, okay, I don't need it. I'll probably end up getting rid of it if it's not something that I like really love. And so I just got a few things because I didn't really need anything. So I'm gonna go home. It's getting late and I need to edit a video and put it up tonight anyways, so I'll see you tomorrow. All right, so it's a few days later and I want to show you what I ended up getting at the thrift store. First one, you might be able to guess, is the sweater. I ended up buying it. I think it's really cute. I just loved the sleeves and like the print on this, or I guess the knit on it is just super cute. I loved it. And so I just had to get it. It was $4.99 and it's an express sweater, which actually the last sweater I got at the thrift store was a kind of a similar cut to this. Like it's like a cowl neck, but it's a light blue. I actually wore it a few videos ago. And that was also an express sweater. That one said it was hand knit, which maybe that's a thing for express, I don't know. But I liked this one. I think it's really nice. It's super warm. I've been wearing it today and it's like extremely warm. I've been so warm all day and it's like 38 degrees outside. And I've just been wearing this and a jean jacket and I've been super warm. So this is a nice sweater. And then I did end up getting this little picture frame. I think this is so cute, so adorable. Little picture frame to put my little business information in. This was $2.99, so not a bad deal. I've definitely been on the lookout for a cute little picture frame, and I think this one is perfect and exactly what I'm looking for. And then the last thing is I got 3 of these little, I don't even know what these would be called, but they're like little porcelain containers. These were $1.49 each, and I did get 3 of them. They're all exactly the same. They actually stack, but I thought these would either be cute for like, one as like dishware, like to use in like a little like dip bowl kind of thing, or to put a little succulent in. I think that'd be super cute. Or as like just like a catch-all little container. I think that'd be really cute as well. I might gift some of these. I don't know. I couldn't pass them up. I think they're just so cute. The detail on this, and they're just like really nice quality pottery. And I just couldn't pass it up. And 3 of them, they were in perfect condition. So that's all I got on this thrift trip. But I enjoy what I got. I really do. So again, check out Our Little World. Make sure to go check out Michelle and her family. And I'm sure you will enjoy their content. I do think they post really fun things, family vlogs and beauty and just like all kinds of stuff you could ever need, travel vlogs. And I love them. And so I think you would too. So be sure to check them out. But thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this thrift with me. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. I would love to have you around. And until next time, bye guys.